Explore the English Renaissance, a transformative era in architecture from the 16th to 19th centuries. Defined by royal patronage, it introduced the Palladian style through masters like Inigo Jones. Manors evolved from grand halls to private retreats, emphasizing household comfort and organization. Hatfield House showcases the symmetry and grand galleries typical of the iconic Elizabethan style. Jones brought Vitruvian proportions to London, creating the city's first truly classical structures. After 1666, Sir Christopher Wren rebuilt London with rational and monumental architectural designs. St. Paul's Cathedral stands as his masterpiece, featuring a majestic dome and classical elegance. The Georgian era saw the drama of English Baroque, with the grand sculptural geometry of Blenheim Palace. Neo-Classicism later refined these forms, inspired by ancient Roman ruins and Robert Adams' interiors. The legacy of the English Renaissance remains a cornerstone of the British architectural landscape.